Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the last class we have discussed what is the equation of horizontal line, vertical line, and we derived standard equation of the line in point, slope, furrow. We shall recall them and then go to next one. Equation of any horizontal line will be of the form y equal to plus a or y equal to minus a. Very important. Consider xy plane. Y is origin. So horizontal line means it is always parallel to x-axis. Distance from line L to x-axis, let take A. This line lies above the x-axis at a distance A units from the x-axis. Therefore, equation of this line is y equal to plus A. Next, let take distance between line L and x-axis. A. This line lies below the x-axis at a distance A units from the x-axis. Therefore, equation of this line is y equal to minus A. Y equal to plus A means this line lies above the x-axis. Y equal to minus A means this line lies below the x-axis. And equation of any vertical line which is of the form x equal to plus B or x equal to minus B. X-axis, y-axis, y is the origin, vertical line, L. Distance from line L to y-axis, let take B. This line at a distance B units from the y-axis, this line lies right side of the y-axis. Therefore, equation of this line is x equal to plus B. Let take distance between line L and the y-axis. B. This line lies left side of the y-axis at a distance B units from the y-axis. Therefore, equation of this line is x equal to minus B. X equal to plus B means that line lies right side of the y-axis. X equal to minus B means this line lies left side of the y-axis. Mind it. Equation of any horizontal line which is of the form y equal to plus A or y equal to minus A. Here A means real number. Next, equation of any vertical line which is of the form x equal to B or x equal to minus B. The B means real number. Got it? And we derived first one, point slope form. Point slope form is we have standard equation. Equation of the line passing through the point x0 comma y0 with slope m is given by y minus y0 which is equal to m into x minus x0. This is standard equation of the line. Y minus y0 which is equal to m into x minus x0. Here m is called slope of the line. Here this equation of line passing through a fixed point x0 comma y0. Now here we are going to derive equation of the line in 2-point form. 2-point form. So important for 2 marks. Consider xy plane. X-axis, y-axis. Non-vertical line L. There are 2 points on the line L. 2 points L. A point, let take its coordinates x1 comma y1. Take B point, its coordinates take x2 comma y2. B point coordinates. B2 given points on the non-vertical line L. Let A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 be 2 given points on the non-vertical line L. Given points. Now I am taking pixel means arbitrary point now. let P point, let take its coordinates x comma y. Arbitrary point means this point lies anywhere on the line L. Arbitrary. Let P of x comma y be an arbitrary point on the line L. Here arbitrary means general point. This point lies anywhere on the line. So clearly here 3 points A, P, B are collinear because here 3 points lies on the same line. Means clearly they are collinear. Since 3 points A, P and B are collinear. Therefore, we know that condition 3 points are collinear, then slope of AP equal to slope of AB, PB. Slope of AP which is equal to slope of PB. So, you can take slope of AP which is equal to slope of AB. Both are same. Slope of AP equal to slope of PB or slope of AP which is equal to slope of AB. Time being I am taking second one here. 3 points are collinear. Therefore, slope of AP which is equal to second one I am taking slope of AB. Slope of AP, A point, P point, slope of the line passing through 2 points means the difference of the y coordinates divided by the difference of the x coordinates. Slope of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by the difference of the y coordinates y2 minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates x2 minus x1. You know that. The slope of AP, y coordinate minus y coordinate, y minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates, here x coordinate x, here x coordinate x1, x minus x1, which is equal to slope of AB, A point, B point here. Here, y coordinate minus y coordinate, y2 minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates, here x2 minus x1. This is standard equation. Or y minus y1 equal to RHS as it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into taking this x minus x1 on right side x minus x1. This is standard equation of the line. This equation of the line passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Got it. Y minus y1 which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. I will repeat. Let us take 2 fixed points, A point x1 comma y1, B point x2 comma y2, B2 fixed points on the line L. Let us take arbitrary point means this point lies anywhere on the line. It is not fixed. A is fixed, B is fixed, but P is not fixed. It lies anywhere on the line. Let us take P of x comma y. It is a general point or arbitrary point on the line. Since clearly 3 points A, P and B are collinear, therefore the slope of AP which is equal to slope of AB. Slope of AP, the difference of the y coordinates here, y minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates x minus x1 which is equal to slope of AB. the difference of the y coordinates here, y2 minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates, x2 minus x1. Then here y minus y1, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is standard equation of the line in 2-point form. This is the equation of the line passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. What is this? So third one, slope intercept form. Before going to slope intercept form, I am explaining one concept. Intercepts. I will give the notes. No need to write, just to understand. Intercepts. Now to understand the concept intercepts, consider xy plane, x-axis, y-axis, O is the origin here. Let a line cuts both x and y-axis. Non-vertical line, L line. This line cuts x-axis at point, let take here, y-axis at point B. Correct. Let take OA distance A here. OB distance B. What are the coordinates of the point A? Means here A point lies on x-axis, x coordinate is y distance A, and x-axis y coordinate value 0. Here B point, it lies on y-axis, and y-axis x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value OB distance B, 0 comma B. Mind it here. See, this line cuts x-axis at point A, the distance y is denoting A. Here y equal to A, this is called x-intercept of the line L. On y-axis, this distance OB, distance here denoting B, this here OB equal to B. This is called y-intercept of the line, of this line here. Mind it, that's it. We have to understand how to define x-intercept and y-intercept. Where the line cuts x-axis, the distance from that point to your origin to this, here A is called x-intercept, and distance from your origin to your point B, where line cuts y-axis, this B, OB, this is called y-intercept. Very important this is. Or we can take where the line cuts x-axis, x coordinate here, A is called x-intercept. Where the line cuts y-axis, here B, this B is called y-intercept. Mind it, very important. So now I am going to derive next equation of the line in slope intercept form. Third one. Slope intercept form. So consider xy plane, x-axis, y-axis, O is the origin. Let take line, it cuts y-axis, L line, cuts y-axis. At point, let take this point is A. Here OA distance I am taking C here, small c. Small c. Here A point lies on y-axis, then what about x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value, here OA distance C. We know that here, where the line cuts y-axis, distance from origin to A, this y equal to C, this is called what we call y-intercept. Here y equal to C. Here C, this is called y-intercept of the line. Very important. And slope of the line here denoting m, small m. Correct. So let a line, let L be a non-vertical line with slope m, which cuts y-axis at a distance c from the origin. Then the distance c, small c, is called the y-intercept of the line L. This distance c is called the y-intercept of the line L. Clearly, this line passing through point A, point here 0, c, and slope m. We know that equation of the line passing through the point x0, y0 with slope m is given by y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. This is correct. Therefore, I am taking here by first one, point slope form. Equation of the line L passing through the point here. What is the point? A point 0, c with slope small m is given by. Passing through the point means this point x0, y0. Mind it. Passing through the point x0, y0 with slope m is given by y minus y0, which is equal to m into x minus x0. Clearly here x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to c. Substitute these values here. Y minus y0 value c, here slope m as it is, into x minus, substituting x0 value 0. Y minus c equal to m into x minus 0, x. Then y equal to mx minus c, taking right side, minus c become plus c. This is equation of the line, required equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Here which is slope? From the diagram we say that slope of the line is m. Correct. Here which is y-intercept? Y-intercept is small c. Where here x coefficient is m is called slope of the line. Here small c, this is called y-intercept of the line. Y-intercept. So mind it. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Here m is called slope of the line, c is y-intercept. Got it? So let take non-vertical line which cuts y-axis at point A. Let take y equal to c. Here this distance, here y denoting c. Here c is called y-intercept. That's why I explained that intercept concept. Here c is called here. The distance c is called the y-intercept of the line. Very important. Next, by point slope form, first one, the last class we have seen. Equation of the line, here this line passing through the point here a point 0, c with slope m is given by, here point denote x0, y0. Here point slope form equation y minus y0, which is equal to m into x minus x0. Clearly here y0 equal to c, x0 equal to 0. Substitute y0 value c, m into x minus x0 value 0. Y minus c equal to m into x minus 0 is x here. Y equal to mx minus c, taking right side, plus c. This is standard equation of the line y equal to mx plus c in slope-intercept form. Here which is slope means m is called slope of the line. Here what is c means y-intercept. Here what is x means x coordinate. What is y means y coordinate. That's it. Got it. So next one point, important point. Suppose if the line cuts x-axis, not on point. I will give the notes. Just here you understand the concept. X-axis, y-axis, y is the origin. The line cuts x-axis here. Line x-axis at point A. At point A. Let us take y distance d. Small d here. Here a point lies on x-axis. Here x coordinate is d. What about y coordinate value 0? And slope of the line here denoting m here. Correct. Here y, see this line cuts x-axis at point A. Therefore here y equal to d. This is called here. D is called what we call, this is x-intercept of the line. Very important. If the line cuts y-axis means this distance is called y-intercept. Here this distance y equal to d, this is called x-intercept of the line. Correct. Again by point slope theorem, this line passing through the point d comma 0 with the slope m. I am taking directly by point slope theorem. Point slope theorem. Equation of the line L passing through the point A point d comma 0 with the slope m is given by y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Correct. So here point here x naught comma y naught. This is the point here. This means x naught equal to d, y naught equal to 0. Substitute here y minus y naught equal to 0, m into x minus x naught value d. Y minus 0, y equal to m into x minus d. This is also equation of the line in slope intercept theorem. Here which is slope means here slope equal to m, which is x intercept. This d is called x intercept of the line. Very important. Where m is called slope of the line. Here d is called x intercept. Find it. Note down. First one also equation of the line in slope intercept theorem. This is y equal to mx plus c. This is first one. Second one, see here m is called slope of the line. Here c is called y intercept. Mind it. Here m is called slope of the line. Here d is x intercept. Let us take non-vertical line which cuts x-axis at point A. Let us take y equal to d means here this y equal to d. This is called d is called x intercept of the line. This line passing through the point d comma 0 with the slope m is given by point slope theorem. First one y minus y naught which is equal to m into x minus x naught. Here x naught equal to d, y naught equal to 0. Y minus y naught value 0, m into x minus x naught value d. Y minus 0, y which is equal to m into x minus d. See, y equal to m into x minus d. This is equation of the line in slope intercept theorem. Here m is called slope of the line, and what about d? D which is called x intercept of the line. So now go to next one, fourth one. Equation of the line in intercept theorem. Intercept theorem. XY plane, x-axis, y-axis. Y is the origin. Let us take a line, non-vertical line cuts. This line cuts x-axis and y-axis. Let us take x-axis at point A, y-axis at point B. Let us take y equal to small a, distance here. Let us take OB equal to small b. Small b. So here A point lies on x-axis, here x coordinate value y equal to a, on x-axis y coordinate value 0. B point lies on y-axis, clearly x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value this OB distance LB. Got it. So clearly this line here is passing through 2 points a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Mind it. We have to find equation of this line in intercept form. Here which is x-intercept. On this line cuts x-axis at point A, this y equal to a. Here y equal to a. This is called x-intercept. Next, this line cuts y-axis at point B. Here OB equal to b. This is called y-intercept. Mind it. Don't get confusion. Very important concept. Where the line cuts x-axis, distance from origin to this. This is x-intercept. Here x coordinate x-intercept. This one, where the line cuts y-axis, this distance OB, b, y-intercept or y coordinate y-intercept. Got it. Very important this is. Correct? Let here L be a non-vertical line. Let L be a non-vertical line which makes x-intercept here a, y-intercept b. Which makes x-intercept a and here y-intercept b. Y-intercept b at the points A and B. At the points A and B on the axis, on the x-axis and y-axis, and y-axis respectively. Therefore, coordinates of point A equal to a comma 0 and coordinates of point B equal to 0 comma b. This line passing through 2 points by 2-point form. By 2-point form, you know the 2-point form equation. Here equation of this line passing through 2 points. Equation of the line L passing through 2 points, A point A comma 0 and B point 0 comma b is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let us first point coordinates here x1 comma y1, second point coordinates x2 comma y2. First point x1 comma y1, second point x2 comma y2. This means here x1 equal to a, y1 equal to 0. Here x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to b. Substitute the values here. This 2-point form equation, standard equation. Y minus y1 value 0, which is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 value b minus y1 value 0 divided by x2 value, x2 equal to 0 minus x1 value a into x minus x1 value a. So y minus 0, y equal to b minus 0, b divided by 0 minus a into x minus a. So next step, I am taking b here minus to the here numerator, then y equal to minus b by a into x minus a. By taking cross multiplication, here a into y ay, Multiply minus b inside the bracket, minus b into x minus bx, minus b into minus a, minus into minus plus b into a ba or ab. I am taking here minus bx left side, minus become plus bx plus ay equal to ab, divided by ab on both sides. Bx divided by here ab, ay divided by ab, RHS ab divided by ab. I am dividing each term by ab. First term by ab plus here this by ab called RHS by ab. AB cancel one time. Here a cancel, here b cancel. Remaining is x by a plus y by b, which is equal to 1. This is standard equation of the line in intercept form. This is the required equation of the line in intercept form. Here which is x-intercept? We know that from the figure A is x-intercept, B is y-intercept. Correct. Here where A lies, x denominator is A, B lies means y denominator is B. Here where A is called here A is called x-intercept and B is called y-intercept of the line. Let us take non-vertical line which cuts x-axis at point A, y-axis at point B. Let us take y equal to small a, OB equal to small b. Here a point lies on x-axis, y coordinate value 0, x coordinate value, here y distance a, this is. B point lies on y-axis, on y-axis x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value OB distance b. Correct. Just like L be a non-vertical line which makes x-intercept A, y-intercept b at the points A and B on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Means which makes x-intercept A on x-axis, which makes y-intercept B on y-axis. By 2-point form, here this line, here equation of the line passing through the points here a, 0 and 0, b is given by y minus y1, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let us take first point coordinates x1, y1, second point coordinates x2, y2. x1 equal to a, y1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to b. Y minus substitute y1 value 0, which is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 equal to b minus y1 value 0 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 value 0 minus x1 value a into x minus x1, x1 value a. Y minus 0 y, which is equal to b minus 0 b divided by 0 minus a minus a into x minus a. Y equal to minus taken to the numerator minus b by a into x minus a. By cross multiplication a into y ay, here multiply minus b inside the bracket, minus b into x minus bx, minus b into minus a plus ab. Taking minus bx left side, minus bx become here plus bx, here plus ay and left side as it is equal to remaining term here ab. Divided by ab on both sides, bx divided by ab plus ay divided by ab equal to ab by ab. Here b cancel only, remaining x by a plus a cancels y by b, which is equal to ab cancels 1. Clearly this is equation of the line in intercept form. Here which is x-intercept means here a is called x-intercept, b is called y-intercept, mind it. Here x-intercept. Got it? Yes. Very important derivations. Practice them. All derivations. Point slope form, 2-point form. Third one slope intercept form. Fourth one intercept form.